time to go take a look and see what's growing in the garden. Oh, it's taken a long 2 months, well, April and May, to get all of this up and running, but it's been worth it. Lots of stuff growing now. My new sign. Anyway, let's go see what's out here. Welcome everybody to my garden. Okay, well, let's see, down this row there is lots of stuff going on. We've got basil, and I've got a moonflower vine crawling up there, squash on the other side of the lattice. In this bed we've got zinnias, cosmos, tomatoes and peppers. And in this bed I've got loofah sponge, and I've got some succulent type of spinach here. It's a medicinal plant. You can use it in like salads, stews, and soups. But I believe it's called Jewels of Oro. Anyway, this thing reseeds itself all over the garden, and it comes back every year, so I really do like that little plant. And over in this bed we've got tomatoes and some zinnias and some sunflowers in the back row. They'll be as tall or taller than that bee up there. We've got a avocado, not an avocado, but a loquat tree there, and then that's a pawpaw tree. And let's see, more squash over here, a little patty pan squash right there. Okay, in this garden, little bathtub garden, we've got oregano, which is like crawling over the tub there. And then we've got some chamomile down here. We've got some borage and salvia and agastache. A lot of medicinal plants in through here. And a little Japanese maple. And of course yarrow. It's good for medicinal purposes as well. Ah, look who we caught napping. Hello, Miss Nene. She's not going to say hi. I don't blame her. I'd sleep too. Alright, we've got some purple basil there and just some sweet potato vines over there. More tomatoes right there. And some basil down this way. Let's see. We've got some more agastache. More tomato plants. More zinnias. Got some Tulsi holy basil growing there. I'm trying my hand at artichokes this year. So I've got 1, 2, 3, and then 4 down there. So we'll see how well they do this year. This is my 3rd year trying it, so maybe 3rd luck's a charm. Okay, let's turn around over here. And let's see, in these 2 beds I've got some tromboncino squash, some Guatemalan blue, and some Ponce de Oro. Just different types of squash. They're supposed to be good for squash vinivores. They're not as acceptable to getting those. Back there, a little mini orchard. Got some plum tree, apple trees, peach trees. My pear tree has 4 pears on it this year. Here's the blueberries. The fig tree back there is loaded. My asparagus bed needs to be cleaned up. It's going wild. And then I've got elderberries back there and a mulberry tree. And then we'll flip around back this way. Don't want to spin too fast. Let's see, in this hot mess of a bed, we've got some basil. We've got some pepper and tomato plants. We've got some nasturtium threaded through there. Let's see, on around here, I've got cucumbers. There's a few I need to pick. And over in this half of the bed is corn, and that half of the bed is corn. At the back, I've got some, I don't remember what kind of melons those are, but they're little small melons. And then there in the back, I've got some more melons. But let's pause a second and we'll flip around. Okay, down this aisle, we have in this small bed, and these two small beds right here, there are eggplant and tomatoes and zinnias, and then we've got cucumbers on this side with tomatoes, more zinnias, and looks like I need to come out here and pick up all these cucumbers. And then over here we've got more peppers and more tomatoes, and this is a lemon basil. Smells really good, makes great tea. We've got okra and a loquat tree in this bed. Oh, and my banana trees are coming back, thank goodness. And let's see, we've got in this bed, we've got okra and another loquat tree. So one more look at my artichoke. Artie the artichoke. Boy, I sure hope they make it this year. Maybe they will. Keeping my fingers crossed. And then right here we have the wine barrel garden. Really happy that those turned out nice. And then back around this way we have the Magnolia Lounge. It's nice to come out here and sit. And this swallowtail butterfly just keeps hanging around. He's so lovely. Well, I think there's several of them. There he is. Oh, look how pretty. It's after those zinnias. Oh, nice. Well, he's got more black on. Well, that's a wrap for this garden tour today. The June garden is growing, looking lovely. It'll get even lusher in the next couple of months. Well, thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.